Now lines we are starting now, HSC class 12. I am just going to give only formulas here. If you need any proofs, you can watch JE lectures. Already JE playlist available, in that already I have explained all the proofs. So now I am not going to explain any proof here, because proofs not going to ask in exam. Okay, now here a vector equation of the line passing through A and parallel to vector B is what? What is the meaning of this here? Listen to me. See, this is the coordinate axis. Listen here. You want to find the equation of the line. Vector equation means line equation you have to find. This is a vector equation I want to find. Suppose this is the vector equation I want to find. And this vector, on this vector there is a point here. They given a passing through a point. That is, a point name is A vector. Means this is connected with origin. This is a vector. Okay, this is a vector. See here, you have to find the equation of the line. Try to understand first. You have to find the equation of this line. What is they saying? Vector equation of the line passing through a point A. So here this is the point A. A is what? A vector. So you have to find this vector which is passing through this and parallel to another vector. इस वेक्टर को एक वेक्टर पैरेलल है. There is a vector which is parallel to this vector. They given two things. This is applicable when, listen to me, this is carefully, understand this. This equation of the line is possible when they given a point and when they given a parallel line. B is the parallel line and A is the point. A point is given, a line is given parallel to this. Then R is equal to, we can write as A vector plus lambda times B vector. Okay, A vector plus lambda times B. Why we use lambda times B vector? Direction. The direction of this vector will be what? See here, these two lines, these two are parallel, in vectors are parallel. If this is B vector, okay, this is B vector, and the direction of this line I want. How you will get direction of this line? If one line is given parallel, then that is multiplied by a lambda times, that will be the direction of the another line. When the lines are, two vectors are parallel, then we can say that one vector is some lambda times another vector. Means that is a direction. If this is the given line, B vector is the given line, if I want to know that for the finding line, you want a direction, then you have to multiply with lambda times. And this passing through the point is what? A vector. So you will get vector equation of the line is R is equal to, R is any point. Like here you are just taking R point. R is any point you are taking and you are going to join this. Okay, you are going to join this. So then you know that the direction of this is lambda times B vector, and I want to find R in terms of this. So R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector is called as line equation. Vector line equation. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Vector line equation. This will be used when a point is given, when a parallel line is given, parallel vector given. We use this when a point is given and parallel vector is given, then we use the equation, vector equation of the line. R is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. This is R vector. You know how you got this is one? This one you got by the vector law, addition law, triangular law, using vector triangular law. That using that you have got this one, because this will be lambda times B vector. This is lambda times B vector. So this direction is lambda times B vector. So R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. That is the addition law. What we call that is addition law. Addition law of the vectors. You know now what is addition law? A vector, you know now. A triangle diya. And then you have like this na, addition law. A vector plus B vector is equal to A plus B. The same way here, R vector, here A vector plus lambda times B vector is equal to R vector. Right? So that is what here. A vector plus this length is equal to that length. So you will be having like this vector law. By that only you got this one. R vector is equal to A plus lambda times B vector. Understood? Point समझ में आया? So this is called as vector equation of a line passing through a point, given point and parallel to the things. And then another one is Cartesian form. Likho. Next point is Cartesian. See, Cartesian form of a line is what? See here, Cartesian form of a line passing through the point and directions are given. Directions are given, A, B, C are the directions. And a passing point given x1, y1, z1. Then the equation of the line is, see, remember, when this is type is given, then the equation of the line formula is x minus x1 by a. Okay, x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b. Y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. This is called line equation in Cartesian form. Previous form is vector form. This is Cartesian form. Reason is r is equal to, you have what? A vector plus lambda times b vector. This is a what is this form is called? This form we called as what form? Vector form. Here A is what? X1, Y1, Z1. R is what? R is x comma y comma z. See here, when I explain, just now I explain, this is the point, this is the coordinate system. You have a line equation you have to find, and you have a point here A. A is, suppose that is x1 comma y1 comma z1. This point is x1 comma y1 comma z1, and you have joined. This is the A vector you wrote, and direction B vector they given. What is the B vector they given? B vector direction not given. Here is, instead of direction they given A, B, C. Okay, so it means this is A, B, C. B vector is nothing but A, B, C. Then here what I want to say, R is this now. R is what? X comma y comma z. So if I send this A this side, R vector minus A vector is equal to lambda times B vector. R means what? X, y, z. Minus with A vector is what here? x1, y1, z1. Means what you got? X minus x1. Here if I do, what I get? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 is equal to lambda times what you get here? X minus x1 plus y minus y1 plus z minus z1 is equal to lambda times what I get here? A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. So if you compare them, x minus x1 is equal x minus x1 is equal to lambda times A, y minus y1 is equal to lambda times B, z minus z1 is equal to lambda times C. So what I am getting here, x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C is equal to lambda. That is what we called as, this is what is called as Cartesian equation. Vector equation से ही Cartesian आता है, दोनों सेम ही है. The simple what we do here, in the place of x vector we write x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and A place we write as x1 y1 z1. So x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap we write there, and this is equal to lambda times, as per this direction they given A, B, C. So we write as A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap, and just we do subtraction of this. We compare this one, then you get x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C is equal to lambda. That is called as Cartesian form of a line. Previous in vector form, R is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. This is vector form a line. When they given point and a direction, parallel line. And here is what? Point and direction given. Okay, then formula is what? Both things are same only. Here is A, B, C directions are given. There it is vector given. That's it. So answer is this one, x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C is called as equation of a line, and a point and direction is given. See, R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. R is what here? X I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. and A is what here? X1 I cap plus Y1 J cap plus Z1 K cap plus lambda times B vector is what? Here direction A, B, C given. A I cap plus B J cap plus C K cap. According to this, if you send this side, subtract this, x minus x1 into I cap, y minus y1 into j cap plus z minus z1 into k cap. So proofs are not required, sir, now. Is equal to lambda times a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. So you see that if you compare these both, what I get here, x minus x1 is equal to a, lambda times a. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to lambda times b. Okay,